Hey, what's up everybody? It's your favorite YouTuber, Coach Big Man. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. So based off this channel is behind the scenes photo shoots, gameplay, reaction videos, behind the scenes photo shoots, pro journey and weight loss journey, and many more. If you pass more than 15 seconds, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and you're part of the family. So all my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate y'all for being part of Coach Big Man's channel. We've been doing this channel for 7 years and I really appreciate y'all. So right now we're gonna do a reaction video to an anime. It's called Campfire Cooking in Another World with my Serb scale. So I watched the first season of this. Yeah, I already know I'm a big anime fan. So season 2 is dropping. Crunchyroll dropped it. So this is my first time watching the reaction video. So let's get it.
Hi. Omatase.
Who's the light? So like I said, this is my first time watching this, so it's watching the trailer, so let's see what happens. So they become oh, new companion they have. A new hungry companion running. The relation comes with start once again. I'm in a different world. I can't do that. So what I give this, so let's put it down like this. I give this video, wait, I gotta put my light on for y'all. So I give this video 9 out of 10. I watched the first season of it. I enjoyed it very much. I can't wait for the new adventures and that new companion you have. So it's gonna be an awesome season. If y'all wonder where I'm at, I'm in my sister's room, my younger sister's room in the living room. She have LED lights, but it's not that bright. I'm using my phone at the moment. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we talk to y'all guys later. Peace out, and be your boy, Coach Big Man.